Here's my strange assortment of meat, some identifiable, some not. And I guess I cook it in this pot thingy. And it's all buffet style for 139 baht, or about $5. Well, the very spicy is very spicy, and the not so spicy is also pretty spicy. So I think I'm going to have to go for the currently not spicy. I believe this to be some sort of meat product, which gets cooked. It turns out these are pieces of fat that you put on the plate, and that stops it from burning, as they had to change my plate because my first one burnt. I still haven't been able to discern what the Angry Bird and teddy bear meat is. I did taste the teddy bear, and it's undiscernible as to what it is and whether it is to be cooked or not. I just finished peeling my own shrimp and cooking them, and we'll now move on to, I believe, chicken. And finally, dessert. Ice cream with some kind of magical red and green sauce on it.